Becca and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this very cute little quilled bunny. He's laying down, he's awake but he's just ready for hiding down in his little burrow. I've made him in pink. I know rabbits aren't pink but I just wanted to make myself a little pink rabbit and it'll just fit in lovely with the other little characters that I've got in my studio. Easy to do, just made from basic shapes like all my little characters are. So let's get started and you can make your own little bunny. Right, so here's a list of the shapes that you need to make. So for the head and the body it's just basically tight coils and I'll show you what to do with those. The tail you need a tight coil with one strip, sorry, a bit down, and then the front legs and the back legs are made from bended teardrops and the ears are made from half strip each and you need to make leaf shapes with those. So I've put this here so you can take a screenshot like I usually do. So I've already prepped most of the shapes. I'm just going to show you the few different shapes that there is that you need to put together. So I'll put this to the side. So first of all we're going to do the head. We need to make a domed oval. And I think I went down using my quilling mould. I think it was the 15mm that I did. Yeah. I did it for this one, and I'm just pushing it around. This is made with 4 strips, and then I've got it into the dome shape, and then I'm just pinching it on either side and I'm turning it into an oval. Now when you're doing these it's best to try and make sure that they match up, because obviously they're going to be stuck together, which is pretty much, yeah, I think that's fine. You can get that to go together. Yeah, that's fine. So and then once you've done that, just take some glue and spread it around. And leave that to dry. So you want to do the same process with the 2 body pieces, which are made from 8 strips. And then for the tail I've done it in a slightly darker shade, and that's just basically making a little mini dome, and I think it was the, did I do that one? Yeah, I think I started it off with the second one down on here, so the 501, then I moved it over to the cone just to make it stick out a little bit. I know rabbits aren't pink but it's going in my studio so I wanted a pink rabbit. Right, and then the ears, we're using half a strip to make these leaf shapes. Okay, hold it up and let it go. The size you want. Glue and then pinch. And they're roughly about the same size. There we go. Sorry, I just wanted the camera there. So they're about the same size. One's slightly bigger than the other one, but it don't matter. It's because I made the shapes earlier and it's all prepped for the video. Right, now these are the legs, and these are bended teardrops. Now these are the back ones, and I'm going to show you how to make them. I've just got one of the front legs left to make. So for this one I'm using a full strip. Off and let it unfurl. Not going to do it all the way. Just need to leave it in so it fills in the space, so you've got a bit of colouring for you. Like a bit of glue. Okay, and I'm going to pinch the end where I've got the join, where I've just glued. that'll make the pointer part of the teardrop, and then all I do is curl it around my finger. And that's how easy it is to make those shapes. Just curl them as much as you want. Now, depends on how you want in your bunny position, but I don't know, I want them to be fairly bent. I wanted my rabbit to be laid down, so get them quite bent because it won't be sitting up. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to pop it together. Like usual, I've got my glue gun, just for quickness. You can do it with just regular PVA or Collal. It's just that it's a little bit quicker doing it with the glue gun, because obviously you're not going to sit there with So I've got the head. There's a little bit of a gap there, but you can always cover that up with just putting a strip round covering the crack. And it's silly for me, I forgot to bring out the spare quilling strips, but I can also add it on later. So, and then you're going to do the same with the body. I'm going to go find the strips and then I'm going to cover that bit up. Now, I've been and found a strip of this pink again, and I'm just going to cover up this join. And just go over both. Just get some scissors. The smallest job, I've got the largest scissors, but never mind. I'll just snip that up. I've got those covered up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stick the head to the body. So I'm wanting it sort of like the words out. I'm going to have the head so it's slightly tilted downwards. So I'm going to put just a bit of glue there. I'm going to have it there, just press on it. And then I think I'm going to add the ears on first. Shall I? No, I'll do the legs. Right, so what we're going to do is the bigger ones are going to go here. And then you need to try and level off the front one. Well, that's an ear. It's not the right one. And then I'm going to have them so go like this. I'll be able to show you better once they're stuck on. But there we go. Right, so glue one there. So just try and hold it in the position that you want it to be. Sorry, I know it's not a very good angle when I'm sticking it on like this. Let's just put the next blob just in behind it. And the other one is going to go there. So pop the glue there, and then just hold it in position. And you just need to do the same blob of glue. And I'm just going to pop it in the same sort of position as the other one. So as you can see from there, you can compare it up now. Okay. I want to get our other front leg. Oh. And that'll come off. Now these little strands, and just peel them away when they're fully dry. It's easy enough to do. So as you can see, it looks like it's just laying down there. So I'm just going to stick on the ears now. So I might have them actually, I'm going to have them facing backwards. So I'm going to sort of glue them there. So they'll be touching the head as well as the body. So I'll put a little bit here first. And just tuck in a little dab just behind the top of the ear. Of course there's some more strands of stray glue. When I use a glue gun, it always takes me forever to get rid of all the glue bits that cling to me. Okay. Now do the same with the other ear. You could also have them stood up if you wish, but I wanted it so that it looks like he's laying down. Okay. We'll be picking at this later. I'll go and work back to the ones that I made ages ago, and I've still found little bits that I've missed. And then we're just going to pop a little tail on the back. Just try and get the glue around the outside edge of the dome and then pop it in. Right, now that's the pieces that are finished. So we've got a little cute bunny with all these glue strands on it. I will get those off. So then I'm just going to take some little googly eyes like I usually do. I'm just going to pop one here. And that. Maybe a bit closer, I'm looking too far apart. If you haven't got the eyes, you could also just use some gems, which is like what I'm going to be using for the nose, just some sticky back gems. Take one off. I'm going to add a little bit of extra where I want it to go. You just need to leave him to dry and he's all done. Well, in my case, dry and pull all the strands of glue off. So I'll wait for him to dry, I'll pull all the glue off and I'll be back. Right, so he's dry and I've pulled off as much of the glue as I can do because it was driving me nuts. Repositioned his eyes a little bit, so I've got them going there, but I think it's really cute. It's going to fit in well with all the other little characters that I've been making. So with the ears you can also bend them up, have them stood up, you could have him sat up like we've done on the, was it the bear? It's either the bear or the cat, I can't remember. Go and have a look at my other videos and you'll be able to work out how to position him differently. But I wanted him just so that he'd lay down nicely. So from the side, so he's hiding away in his little burrow. So I hope that's inspired you to have a go at making yourself a little bunny, and thanks for watching. If you've liked the video, if you could give me a thumbs up, that'd be appreciated, and if you've not subscribed, if you consider subscribing, that would be appreciated too. So I'll see you next time. Bye!